$280 for this image, $190 for this one, another $300 for this one, and so forth. You can do this unlimited times because you don't need a camera. You will not have to take any pictures yourself. You don't need social media followers, and I will give you a free tool where you can get this done in less than 10 minutes of work. It's a website that we never used before, and people from all over the world are making hundreds of thousands of dollars with this website. But before we start, welcome to Finance Girl, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. So first of all, this is the website where you can get the work done in less than 10 minutes. This is not a website where you will be making money, but rather it is a platform where you can get those images done in less than 10 minutes. So you can make hundreds of dollars with the second website where people are making hundreds of thousands of dollars. So before we get to that website, it is paying people a lot of money for these images, and I'm going to show you how to create those images. So first of all, let's start with how you can get those images done for absolutely free. Just head on over to Adobe Spark. Just type in its URL, spark.adobe.com. This is a free online tool with hundreds of thousands of different templates which will allow you to just drag and drop and create professional looking designs. So you can simply come over to Adobe Spark and you can read more about what type of designs you can get done with this tool. But what can you create with Adobe Spark? Well, you can create social graphics. You can pick a photo, add text, and apply design, filters, or animations to instantly stand out from the crowd and create high-quality designs, and that's exactly what we will be focusing on. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. So they also have different features like creating web pages and short videos, but it isn't what we will be focusing on. We are only focusing on images that we can create in minutes to share instantly, and then get paid with a website which I'm about to share with you in a minute. And even if you don't have a laptop or computer, it's still okay. You can still do this with your phone because the app is available for both Android and iOS. So even if you're laying in your bed and holding your phone, you can still do this. It's gonna be simple. So come over to Adobe Spark and click on Get Started Now. So you can create a free account and you can either sign up with Google, Facebook, or Apple account with your email or Adobe ID. Once you figure out what account you want to sign up with, log in and it will immediately redirect you to your brand new account. Once you create a brand new Adobe Spark account, you will be able to browse all of the different templates from this website. You have all these different graphic designs which you can create, which are pretty much 99% done for you. And you just need to change the text. And that way, it becomes your unique design from which you can make hundreds of dollars with a website which I will share with you. So you can create Instagram stories, Instagram posts, Facebook posts, photo collage, print presentation, slideshows, branded images, and even custom size. All of these different templates are available. You can create flyers, ebook covers, book covers, and so forth. So let's say, for example, I want to use the flyer design template. I'm just going to click on that so that I can show you how easy it is. I just need to wait for them to load my design, to load my template, so I can fully customize it. I can change everything, and all you have to do is double-click on the text type in whatever you want to. Let's say, for example, when I type in investor, click Done, and it will change on this image. Now on the right-hand side, you can also customize colors. You can change the font, the size. You can customize everything. You can add different shapes, shadows, different animations, and whatnot. And here on the left-hand side, you can select different templates in case you don't like this one. So maybe I rather prefer this one. I can click on Create from this template, wait until it loads, and I can customize this one. So it's really easy and simple to use because once again, it's like 99% done for you. You just need to change the text and save it to your computer. Let's say I want to type in once again, investor. I will click Done. Now it's going to look something like this. Maybe I want to change the background image. I can also do that as well. I can click on replace or remove background or add different filters to my background. It's really simple and easy to use, and you can create all sorts of different designs from those templates. Once you're done designing, you can either click the download button right here, and that's instantly going to download this image to your computer. It's going to download the high quality version of this image. You can either do it like that, or if you want to remove the watermark, you can open up, for example, a snipping tool or any other screenshot software that you have on your computer and just screenshot this image. Take a snap and just exclude the watermark that's at the bottom and you're ready to go. So that's how simple and easy it is to get those designs done with Adobe Spark. It takes less than 10 minutes because those templates are 99% done for you. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Now let me show you the website that will pay you hundreds of dollars for those designs that you create with Adobe Spark. The website that will pay you hundreds of dollars for those designs which you can create with Adobe Spark is called designcrowd.com. This is over at designcrowd.com, where you will get paid for all of the different designs for logo designs, business cards, web designs, flyers, graphic designs, which you can all create within Adobe Spark in less than 10 minutes. And let me show you this. If I go to this designers category, and let's say for example, I select graphics designers, you will be able to see people from all over the world making money. You have people from all over the globe making hundreds and thousands of money. If we, for example, select logo designers, you will be able to see that people are also making even more money. There's a lot of money to be made with designcrowd.com. It's a really good website that pays a decent amount of money for those designs which you can get done in less than 10 minutes. So if we go over to the jobs section right here, you can see that you can create all of those designs and get paid for doing that. You can create anything from business cards, down to flyers, posters, postcards, web designs, Facebook designs, YouTube, Twitter designs, everything that we saw on the previous website, everything which you can get done in less than 10 minutes of work with Adobe Spark. So let's say for example you want to focus on flyer designs. You can click on that and you will be able to see different available jobs. You can submit your designs and get paid. You can get paid for one single image that I submit over there for one single design, which I can get done in less than 10 minutes with Adobe Spark. I can get paid for just this project alone. And there will be new jobs coming in all the time, so you will never run out of jobs to complete within all those sections. Of course, 2 jobs are not a lot, but that's only under the flyer design section. You have different sections which you can select. You can maybe go on with banner ad designs, app designs, icons, Facebook designs, and YouTube designs. Now to get started with designcrowd.com, all you have to do is come over to this website. Click join for free, this button right here. Enter your email address, create a password, and click on let's go. Once you sign up and you log into your brand new account, you can start browsing all of these different jobs, and once you find a suitable one, just click on it. Submit your design and wait to see if you've made money. And since a lot of you guys are often asking me how you can cash out money from the website, I want to explain to you exactly how it's really simple. So once you start making money, just go over to your profile right here. Just click Profile Settings, and then on the left side, you can select Payouts right here. Then select your payout method and you can enter payment details. And that's how you can collect your earnings. And that's it! Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button and I'll see you in the next videos.